So,
welcome to episode 7.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I mean, this is kind of your ship, so I shouldn't have jumped in.
Welcome, Brian Haverdink, to episode 7 of the Foresight Management MicroVlogcast. Looking forward to having you join us as a tri-host.
Pleasure to be here. It's been
Yeah.
long time, first time
Yeah.
sort of thing.
First day on the job here at Foresight Management, Brian?
Kind of feels like it. Every day is a new beginning.
It is.
Yeah. We were just talking a second ago, though, about Jeopardy, and I didn't get your answer.
Oh.
If you could recruit anyone to play Jeopardy that you thought would have the best chance of winning, that you know personally, who would it be?
Joe Voss, who is my good friend.
Good one.
And Foresight Management's lawyer, actually.
That is a good one.
Lawyer and studying to be a hospital chaplain.
Huh.
Great.
So talk about that for intersection of interdisciplinary, knowledge.
We need more attorneys in the hospitals.
Yes. Well, no. We need more chaplains doing the law.
That too. Yeah.
Or maybe it's like church and state. They should just stay apart.
Well, yeah. I'm with you there. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Sorry, I derailed. Go ahead.
No, it was. This is the rail we're on. So,
Okay. Cool.
Brian, what do you think that episode 7 should we talk about? Besides Jeopardy.
I mean, what is a bad habit that you've successfully overcome, and how did you overcome it? Because the reason I've been thinking about it is because I get criticized by my wife quite a bit because I still bite my fingernails.
Encourage.
I struggle with that too.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't struggle with that. So
I'm curious how, what's an example of something that you've successfully overcome? Assuming you have done that, I guess. You could just not have kicked any bad habits, and that's okay too, I guess. But
I'm very disorganized. This is not news to either of you, and so I've, through my life, had to learn how to be organized. So I think the habit I kicked from disorganization was implementing more like HubSpot or things like that in my life, and even my calendar. So I share my calendar with my wife, and she shares hers with me, and so it's things like that. So basically, forcing myself to put more digitization, I think is the word I'm looking for, of the information. It just helps me organize a little bit.
that's a good one. Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Well, we're getting the flag that is the end of episode 7 of the MicroVlogcast, and Brian just learned for the first time how fast that 2.5 minutes goes.
Really
So hopefully you'll come back for episode 8, where we may or may not talk about work-related things.
Sorry,
Good. No, it's great.
Yeah.
This is a whole new. That's perfect. You're not advertising for. Okay, you don't got
It's the other
confirmation.
direction.
No, we're good.
All right, good.